Assalamu alaikum, welcome 9th class. Today I will deliver lecture number 9 of chapter number 2nd, and in this lecture I will solve activities which are present in chapter number 2nd. In this lecture I will solve only 4 activities, and remaining activities I will solve in next lecture. So here is a question that how many marks did you obtain in the final exam of 8th class, and that marks you have to convert into binary. For example, you have got 194 marks. When you will convert it, after that you will share with your friends. Okay, and the first is here you got 194 marks. In previous lecture I was discussed that you should separate quotient and remainder with dash, and remainder first we write quotient, after quotient we will write remainder. So here is the 2 multiply with 9, and 9 is quotient, answer is 18, 1 is remainder, and 4 below. After this 2 multiply with 7, that will be 14, 0 is remainder and 7 is quotient. It's mean 97 is quotient and 0 is remainder. We should separate it with dash. Next is 97, and then we will 2 8 multiply with 2 4s are 8. After this we will write 4, then 7 below. After that we will write about the next is similarly 48, and so on we will divide it. So in a previous lecture you were learned, but for in this lecture I will also describe that when you will convert into binary, then you will write it below to up. Okay, it's mean that below to up you will write binary number. Here is a repeating division. When it will complete, then I will write that how you will write binary number of 194. Okay, so here is the only few division is remaining. For example, 2 3s, and next is 2 and 1. So when I will divide it, so I have got answer. So here is a 0 double 1 double 0 double 0 1 0. When you will write it, now I have marked with red pencil. So I also discuss in details in previous lecture that when you will write binary number, you write bottom to up approach, so it is solved. Now next is activity 2, and similarly I will solve it. Activity that here is activity exchange your marks in binary from with your friends which you got marks. Okay, you should convert into binary. After that you should convert that binary into decimal, and you have to discuss with your friends. For example, here is a binary 11111001. This is a binary digit we want to convert into decimal. Then we will multiply it, and we write position number on the power of that base. So we have here binary digits is 7. We have write 7 time multiply, also write powers. After this we will assign numbers to each, and after this we will write addition sign, and then we will take out the power. 2 raised power 6 is 64, 2 raised power 5 is 32, 2 raised power 4 is 16, 2 raised power 3 is 8, 2 raised power 2 is 4, 2 raised power 1 is 2, 2 raised power 0 is 1. Okay, so after this we will multiply it. 64 multiply with 1, and similarly we will all multiply. After this we will add 64 plus 32 16 8 0 0 1. When we will add up it, after the binary answer will be 121. Okay, decimal form is there. And next lecture is there, next example is there. Activity 2.3, according to table, that you have to write that into decimal, binary and hexadecimal. What you will do, the question is there that when you will reach the school to lunch and when you will play, so you have to convert into binary, hexadecimal, and decimal. When you will arrive school, time in decimal is 8:15, and first you will check a table, second table there is a decimal, binary, hexadecimal. Okay, this is a prepared table provided in exercise, also in chapter. First you have to got out 8, this is highlighted, and 15 is there, that is also highlighted, so you will write binary number of this. After this you will check the hexadecimal of these, and 8 hexadecimal similarly 8, and the 15 hexadecimal is presenting in 15 hexadecimal is F. So here next is lunch time is 1:20. First you will check 1, and after this you will check 20 from binary. Okay, so 1 is considered 1, but 20 is considered 10100. Okay, so in hexadecimal 1 is presenting 1, but 20 is presenting 14. Okay students, so this is the hexadecimal of this number. And the next is playing, this is the 510, 510, then you will check 5 from binary and similar 10 from binary. After this you will check the from hexadecimal. If any table is there, I hope that you will check and you will convert all these numbers. And the next activity is there 2.4, that this question is that you have to concern with your teacher, that she have to give you idea that how you will do many online converters for number systems. Okay, so here is the coded toolbox. When you will search it, you will got out you can do different conversion. After this, if you are using Google, then you will search number based converters. So there is a one website will be open, number based converter, you will do online conversion. And the second is third one is code beautify. This is also used for different multiple conversions, you can convert any number. And the last one is number system conversion. These are all websites when you can do any conversion. Okay student, Allah